Hi, a very good morning. In today's session, we are going to continue designing the prototypes for section 3 and section 4. So we have started full stack website designing course, and currently we have completed approximately 14% of the course, where we have got an introduction with software development lifecycle, software requirement specification, and selection of the design motivation for the project. We are also working on designing the prototypes. We have started designing prototypes in the previous session where we were using Adobe XD to design the prototypes. And we have completed a few sections. So now we are going to continue those sections and then we'll get into writing the HTML5 and CSS code for it. So I'm going to start my tool Adobe XD, which is a rapid prototyping tool for web applications and mobile applications. And here is my project, Full Stack Developer CloudWorks. And this is what we have started building. So as you all can see that this is the health app we have started designing, where we have already done the 2 sections. Okay. Now what we have to do, we have to get into the third section. In the third section, as you all can see, we have to design 3 easy steps and get your solution. Find the best doctor, get the appointment, and happy consultations, along with a few messages. Okay. So let's get going. Along with this, we're going to use a few icons also. One is going to be the search icon. Second is going to be an appointment icon. And third, we are going to find out if we get an appropriate consultation icon. Okay. So we have this section 3 available here. Now within this section 3, we're going to start designing. So first of all, what we need is we do need to have a title for this section 3. Okay. I'm going to keep it somewhere in the center. Okay. This is going to be 3 easy steps. Let's just type it 3. Okay. We have to do one thing. Once I have clicked it here at the center, I want it to be centrally aligned. Okay. So you have to go to the alignment section in the text part here and select center. So now when you keep center, it will automatically be available in the center. 3 easy steps to find your solution. And this is black in color. So I'm going to change the color to black. Okay. Now, so 3 easy steps and get your solution. The 3 easy steps and get your solution.
I didn't get that. Could you?
Also, I would like to use it. I'll drag it, let's say 50 pixel or 60 pixel. Okay, from the top. Next, what do we need? Here in this case, what they have done, actually, they have used, I think, separate backgrounds. A different blue gradient for the top one, the blue gradient for the another one. But just to keep the, just to keep the alignments and everything together, it will always be good that we can have a common background for all the sections. In case if you want to change it, we can change it for every section also, because we do have every section individually available. So this is going to be the label for section 3. Okay. I'm going to rename it to LBL title section 3. Okay. And I'm going to keep it into the description section. We have a description area. Okay, this is the description section. This is the service section. Okay, so service section, and this is going to be in a group. I'm going to rename this section to service section. Within service section, now I have got the service section background, and I've got the label for service section 3. Now what we do need 3 icons with 3 titles and 3 small descriptions. Okay. So what do we need? Now we'll get here. we're going to design. So I'm going to use shift key in order to maintain the circular icon. Okay, I'll keep a circular icon, let's say of this size. I am going to keep it somewhere, let's say around 200 pixels from the left. Okay, now within this, what I need is, I do need one icon also, which I'm going to place. Icon is going to be the search icon. So we'll quickly go here to fonts.google.com/icons, fonts.google.com/icons. And within the icons, we are going to search for the three. First is the search icon, which I need. So I'm going to download the search icon in the white face, download the PNG. Then I would be needing appointment for the second category. Okay. Or I can say calendar. Okay. So we can select an appropriate one. Let's say we can use this. I think we'll go with this, the date range. Okay. We'll go with white. Download the PNG, and one more thing we would be needing is consult. Consult, if we don't have, we'll use something relevant to call. Okay. So here we have the contact phone. So I'm going to use the contact phone one. And all the three I have downloaded. I'm going to keep all the three within our project, full stack CloudWorks. Okay. So here I'm going to extract the icons. So the first one, this is the contact phone. I would be needing the search one first. So I'll take the search one, copy that, and I'll paste it here. But I would want to change the color first. So I will remove the borders and I'll select its color to the blue one. And then I'm going to drop the search icon. Okay. If you want, you can increase the size of this a little bit. Let's say we'll keep it to 54. It's at the center. And what we would be needing, in case if you want to change the color, then you can do it, or else it looks fine to me. Or we'll increase the size a little more. Keep it 60. 60 center. And you can select it and change the fill color also. Okay. Suppose you want to keep it blue, a color similar to this one. So you can select this. And you can select a similar color. Sorry. Otherwise, we do need to change its. It's not going to happen from here. We do need to have Photoshop in order to, in order to change the color. So, anyways, I will not be using Photoshop as of now. I'll just adjust the size to, let's say, 98 or 100. 100 seems good. Okay. So we got one search icon here. Let's name it as search background. search background, search icon, group the two together, rename it to search box, and bring this search box to the service section. Okay. And then what am I going to do? I'll go to define. I'll keep the size to, let's say, 40. Robot to normal. No, okay. This one needs to be bold. I'll keep it center. Okay. And we'll say this is find best doctors. Okay. We can also decrease the size a little bit. Let's say we'll keep it 36. That will be enough. And then we would be needing some more description area. That's called as 28. And regular. And centrally aligned. And the content should be find your doctor easily with a minimum of effort. We have kept everything organized for you. So we are going to define it something like this here. Oops. Find your doctor with minimum in fact we can keep it 24 with minimum effort. We have kept everything organized for you. Okay, so this is how it is going to look. We can keep a little space 26 between the icon, title, and the text content. Okay, is that clear?
Yes, yes, sir.
So this is the service section. This is your, let's call it as description, search doctor. Let's call it as title, search doctor. Then we got a search box, 1, 2, and 3. All this is going to be in one section. Let's rename it to group and rename it to search section. Okay. Now we're going to copy this search section. Keep it, let's say, around 200 spaces. Okay. So I think what I'll do is I'll just keep all these 3 sections centrally aligned. I'll keep it at the center. And 201 space looks pretty good to me. Can you see that? So it's
Yes,
automatically aligned properly. Now, what we can do, now we do need to change the icon for the appointment. So second section is going to be get appointment. Third section is going to be happy consultations. happy consultations. Happy consultations. Ask for an appointment of the doctor quickly with almost a single click. Ask for an appointment from a doctor of the doctor quickly. Fine. Ask for an appointment of the doctor. Of a doctor quickly with almost a single click. Almost a single click. Almost a single click. We take care of the rest. Okay. So this is going to be the second section. I do need to change the icon once. I'll just get the icon. This is going to be the appointment one, the calendar, outline date range. Copy it, paste it here. Okay. I'm going to make it 100. And keep it centrally aligned. Okay, so this becomes the second part, the get appointment part. Okay, and what I can do is we can quickly change it to these are the three searches. So search section, let's rename it to appointment section. Within appointment, we have got describe appointment, title appointment. Then you have the search box. Let's call it as appointment box. Then you have appointment icon. And you have the appointment background. Okay, so we got the appointment background and the appointment section is also ready. Third, I have the third section as the consultation section. It's called as consult. Consult section. Within consult section, what do we have is we have the consult description, title consult, then this is the consult box, within the consult box, then we have the search item, consult background. Okay, so we got all of these coded as in design. So the designing is very, very important initially, because whenever you're going to code, then you do need to know the appropriate size between your each and every component, the color code of the component, the font size of the component. Okay, so then it becomes very, very easy when you start coding in an HTML. Okay, so designing is very, very important, because otherwise it will become very difficult if you directly start coding in HTML, or if you directly start creating the front end design. Okay, you will never get the appropriate designs until and unless you know the appropriate margin, the size of the uh, content and everything. Is that clear? So this should be a regular practice. Now, so I think we are done till here. Also, we have a section here. So we got the description section now. One is the description area, second one is the image area. I would like to keep it to the center, image area, and I would like to extend the size of the description area a little more. Okay, so that it's on center, and then the description section background. Now, so what next we do need to have is, we do need to have an image area. Okay, let us drop the one image from internet, images.google.com, doctor image. Okay, so we can we can select a doctor. Let us take this one. All these seems to be stock photos. Okay, I'll download this one. This one seems good. Let's download this one. I'm going to save the image. And this is going to be my doctor. We're going to remove the background. So we have to go to remove.bg. We're going to upload the image. Let's select the doctor's image. This will automatically remove the background. Okay, now you can see that the background has been removed. And now we are going to adjust it automatically. Okay, so here is the fresh doctor image. I'm going to rename it as doctor image transparent. Okay, I'll copy this one in the full stack CloudWorks. And I'm to delete the previous one. Or if you want it for practice for removing the background, you can use it. Okay, so we are going to use this one, doctor image transparent. So I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to keep that image here. I'll keep it within the section doctor image transparent under the service section. Sorry, the description section. We have the description area and the image area. So I'll keep this in the image area. Let us just group them together. Rename. That's called as image area. Within this image area, we have the image area background. And we have the doctor image transparent, which I would like to increase a bit. Oh, luckily we got the same doctor's image. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we got the image available over here. Now, what they have done, they have used a few more boxes just to show about the doctor and all. So we can design that section also. Okay, you can do that. So what we can do is we got this section. So what I'll do is I'll take a very simple one. I'll get to this doctor transparent. Behind it, I'm going to make a semicircle. Okay. Let's say I'm going to draw something like this behind the background. Instead, we could have drawn it in Photoshop. That could have been a better option. For designing all this kind of content, it's always good that you use Photoshop because you'll be able to delete the specific areas in Photoshop. Okay. So I want to remove this blue part from here. It would be better to draw this blue background within the Photoshop itself because you can draw a full circle and then you can delete half of it. Okay. What else I want to do is I'll just make this section. Okay. Dr. Khalid Abed, cardiologist, MBBS, 5-star rating, experience, patients, reviews. This you can create with a rectangular box and a circular box with a logo in it. Okay. So we can do this. Let's say I'm just going to draw one box here. So I'll make a box here. I'm going to make it rounded, 20 from all sides, no borders, with a circular section here, just to put a heart kind of an icon at the center of this. Okay, put a heart icon here. So we can get an heart icon from Google, images.google.com. Heart icon. Okay, we can use anyone as per our choice. So this is something similar, but yes, we do need to have Photoshop in order to remove its background. So what I'll do is I'll just download it. I think we have this one. Chalo, we'll use this one only. Okay, we'll save image as heart icon. We'll go to remove background, upload new image, heart icon. So you can see that, oh, it actually removed the heart as well from the center. So what I'll do is we'll use another one. I believe this is already a vector, so we can use this one. Save image as heart icon, replace. Quickly check. So we are going to get the white section from the background itself. Okay, so we got this. We'll change it to art icon transparent. Copy and keep everything in the full stack directory. And paste it here. So what we can do is we can quickly make it to a smaller size and can drag it here. This is a rectangle. Let's say doc intro. Doctor intro section BG. Rename doc heart icon BG. This is the heart icon transparent. I'm going to make it group. Doc heart section icon. Then we have the doc intro section background. We want to keep it into group also. Again, this is going to be doc intro section. We'll bring the doc intro section to the description section. Oh, sorry, the image area section. So this is the image area. Within the image area, we have got the doctor intro section. We have got the doctor image, and we have a background. Okay. Now, what next we would be needing? We would be needing something like a quick introduction to the doctor. I'll keep a name of the doctor here. Let's say doctor. We'll keep the size to, let's say, 40. Doctor. Let's say I'm just randomly taking a name. Okay, then you have a little description for it that you already know how to design it, experience, answers, patience, and all that stuff. Okay, so we can give him a quick section. Let's say the cardiologist. uh, you can keep it a little lesser dark, grayish background with a size 20, or let's say 24 could be a standard. So we can keep it here. Cardiologist, 5 years experience. Okay. So we got something like this. Clear? And I'll just change the background area a little smaller so as it fits. So something like this. So we got this complete section. Sorry. I would like to keep the text content also here. Doc name, doc experience. Okay, so now we got this section. Oh, sorry. Okay, we have got this doctor section area now. So this becomes a single entity. We can drag and drop it anywhere as per our choice. Okay. So I'll try to keep it here somewhere, just below the center. Okay, is that clear? So you can draw according to your choice. Okay, what all information you want to keep it onto the doctor, so you can draw that section accordingly. Okay, is that clear, Gaurav?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Finally, we are left with one more section, which is the description section. Okay, where we would be needing a few text boxes, and that will do. Okay, so I can keep it. ठीक है, इसको थोड़ा सा और अंदर एडजस्ट कर दिया, सो दैट ऊपर से अलाइनमेंट्स थोड़ी प्रॉपर आ जाए. ठीक है, जब हमारा वेब पेज डिस्प्ले हो तो वो पूरा लेफ्ट साइड से ना एक सिंगल लाइन के अंदर आ जाए.
Yes.
ओके, अब हमारे पास बचा एक फाइनल सेक्शन, एंड दैट इज बेस्ट क्वालिटी सर्विस विद अवर एक्सपीरियंस्ड डॉक्टर्स. नाउ सो विल स्टार्ट द सेक्शन. Okay, this is going to be, let's say, 80, and I'm going to define best doctors, best quality service with our experienced doctors. Best quality service with our experienced doctors. Okay, the size seems a little big. We'll keep it 70 something. We'll keep the font color as dark. Okay. Or a little light. Something like this. So like this. Okay. Best quality service with our experienced doctors. Then we have a smaller section here. We're going to keep it 40, let's say. And this says, sorry, we want it left aligned. This will be with our top doctors. We are able to provide best best medical services above average. Again, we have highly experienced doctors, so don't worry. Okay, like that. So इतना ही लिख देते हैं. और इसके बाद में एक छोटा सा वो आ जाएगा हमारे पास, सर्कुलर फॉर्मेट पे 3 पॉइंट्स बना लेते हैं. ठीक है, इन ब्लूज, नो बॉर्डर, फिल कलर ब्लू. ठीक है, with a text search your specialist and online consultation anywhere. ठीक है, ये फॉन्ट थोड़ा सा ज्यादा बड़ा है, 30 कर लेते हैं इसको, 30 would be enough. ठीक है, ये दोनों एक ही सेक्शन में होंगे. They both are going to be grouped. We're going to name it as rename a pointer 1. Similarly, I'm going to have 2 pointers more. There will be 3 pointers. ठीक है, so it should be at the center at a position of 19. So अभी मैंने center पे कर दिया है तीनों को. Followed by second में था consultation our top specialists. Consult with our top specialists. Third option है doctors are available 24/7. Doctors 24/7. Okay, so this is going to be the way it looks. I'm going to change the size to, let's say, 36. Sorry. And it's going to be regular. And this also, we are going to make it 60, let's say. ठीक है, वैसे वो 70 सही दिख रहा था. ठीक है, so that's what we got. So finally, अच्छा, ये है हमारे पास पॉइंटर में कंसल्ट योर डॉक्टर, इनको हम चेंज कर लेंगे. ठीक है, LBL पॉइंटर, LBL BG pointer BG. This will become pointer 2. This will become pointer 3. LBL pointer 3. LBL pointer 2. Pointer BG, pointer 2 BG. Pointer 1 BG. Then we have pointer 1. We'll rename it to LBL pointer 1. We'll rename it to pointer 1 BG. And this is pointer 3 BG. Okay, so we got pointer 1, pointer 2, and pointer 3 organized here. Then you have got description services, title services, and all the 5 I am going to drag to the description area. Okay, so this is the description section. We have an image area, we have a description area. So all these are going to be a group. This becomes description area, and within this becomes description area background. Okay, so we got the image area and everything properly. We got the description section background. So majorly we have got everything done. So I'll select the description section and I'm going to remove the borders. And now you can see everything looks good. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
One section, the section 1 takes a lot of space. So what we can do is we can go to the banner section, go to the banner section background and reduce its size a little. Banner section background, the banner image, we can keep it up to this place only. This section area. Oh, I'm sorry. Form area section, form area background. We'll keep it up to here itself, so that we get some more space here. We'll keep the banners. Keep the banner section background up to here. Okay. Then what we have is we have the navigation bar. We have the service bar. So service bar, we can now take it a little above. You know, you can drag it to this section. And we can take the 4th section also. Keep it aligned up to this section. And then you can keep it up till here. Okay, so this is how your first page looks like. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Now we are going to create the HTML part for it in the next section. Okay, so we are going to make all of these as buttons and we are going to start designing the HTML part for the first page. Cool.
Yes, sir.